Alright, so I'm recording how my MIDI connection goes. So basically, I want the keyboard to be able to play on the sound modules, but also control the computer, and also have the drum machine be synced up with everything. Alright, so what you do, you take it from the out, okay? You go, so since I have two modules, I go in on the first module, and then I take a through from the first module down to the end on the second module, because I want both modules to be able to play sound at the same time if need be. Okay, so out from the keyboard and to the first module, through from the first module and to the second module. It's called daisy chaining. Works for me. I don't know if it's the best, but works for me. And then now I have through from the second module. Okay, so my through goes all the way back in to my audio interface, and then I have my out from the audio interface sending data into my drum machine. So what that does, okay, so if I want to play something on the computer, I want to record, for instance, right now. Okay, so let's see. I did something wrong because he was just working. There we go. Okay, I don't know why it didn't work for this channel, but whatever. We'll remove that. Okay, so I'm playing it from the computer. Sweet bells, different sounds. You can see different sounds. Okay, and what I can do too, so if I lower this, I up my keyboard. Okay, piano sound. So you got a piano. We're not gonna layer. So piano. I change the sound. So okay, so I can play from my keyboard. Okay, so now I'm gonna lower the keyboard. I'm gonna throw up my first module. So it's my XV5050, which you know power is playing. If I want to play with my 1080, okay, I have it on two channels here, so I'll just throw it up. Boom. So really, basically, I can jam live and use my modules. I can use a sound coming from Logic Pro 10. I can record on Logic Pro 10 and I have my drum machine going, which is what essentially I wanted. So we're good to go. All right, cool.